earlier this week in our Brent forecast publication, we predicted that Brent would actually be trading somewhere in the vicinity between $67 and $70 per barrel. So I'm just going to have a quick look at the price of Brent. And right now we're at $68.62, up on the day by 1.5% almost. So bouncing off that famous support level that you mentioned earlier, Mita. So I guess right now, question becomes, from a crystal ball perspective, having said everything we said, what is your inkling in terms of actually, we are within our range, but if we were to look beyond that, are we bullish or bearish on crude? So Harinder, thinking about all the positioning information you had, do we have enough oomph to get lower?
So I think there's a few factors at play here. So looking at the bespoke positioning index we referenced earlier, to be a bit more technical, in the positioning score for Brent, it's at the 73rd percentile. So all that means is if you look from 0 to 100, we are still slightly overextended, and we would expect to see that overextension deleverage in time. Whether that happens in the coming week or so, that remains to be seen. But I would still say that from the positioning perspective, we would definitely be on the more bearish side. I think also looking at the CTA positions that we've seen, the predictions are coming out very bearish. The CFTC data that we reviewed, again, it's not so timely now. The following week's publication for the managed money category will be especially interesting to monitor. I suspect we'll be seeing a large decrease in managed money net length. I would say, from my perspective, definitely a little bit more on the bearish side.